Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and welcome back to Unix shell programming tutorial series. In today's video we are going to discuss about writing a shell program to print single and multiple multiplication tables. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. As you can see here, I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it will ask user to enter any number. Let us suppose user has entered 2, then it should print the multiplication table of number 2. Okay, so now how we can get this output? If you closely look at the output, there is a specific task getting performed again and again. And what is that task? Multiplication. Okay, initially the multiplication is getting performed between 2 and 1. Then the same multiplication gets performed between 2 and 2. Like this, with each and every iteration or with each and every step, the multiplication is getting performed between the fixed value, which is 2, and a new number. Then first 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then up to 10, and at the end we will get the values from 2 to 20. In my previous videos also I have told you that whenever there is a specific task getting performed in the requirement, then the best approach is to use any of the looping construct. You can go with either for loop or while loop. So I will be using the for loop here to create this output. Okay, so now as you guys know the syntax of the for loop, right? Syntax of for loop is like this. So we will follow the same syntax. So here the first part is initialization. This is the first part, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. Okay, so the first part is initialization. That means from where we want to start this process. So I want to start from the value of I equals to 1. That is, this is the first point. Okay, I equals to 1. And how long I want to run this for loop? I want to run this for loop until the value of I becomes 10. So if you closely look at the output, you can see here this value is fixed, which user will be going to enter, which is 2. But this value is getting changed or updated every time with each and every step. Initially it will be 1, then 2, then 3, and then so on up to 10. So every time this value is getting updated, that value will be our I value, and this value will be our N value. So when the program gets executed, I will be asking the user to enter this number 2. Then that number I need to store inside some variable in my program. So to store that value, I have created this N variable. N will hold the value 2. So according to the syntax, I will write the main code. For I will start for, then I will put I equals to 1. Initialization, that is the initial part. And how long I need to run this for loop? Until the value of I becomes less than or equals to 10. Okay, and I want to increment. Okay. Then do, and here done. I want to create the output. Output is equals to dollar echo double quote dollar n. I want to multiply n value with I value. N multiplied with I double quote close pipe BC. Next, I will pass this output to echo. Echo, I want to display the output in this form. So this value is 2, which is stored inside n double quote dollar n cross. This value is I value. Dollar I is equals to, and this is our output. So an output stored inside this variable. So I will just print this output. So by doing this, you will be printing this single multiplication table. Okay, now what about multiple multiplication tables? Suppose the program gets executed and it asks user to enter the number, then you will enter 4. Then your program needs to return 4 multiplication tables from 1 to 4. Okay, so how we can does that? So to does that, we need to use nested for. So I will write that here. For I equals to 1, I want to start with the value 1, and condition is I is less than or equals to this value now 4, because I want 4 multiplication tables, I plus plus. Okay, along with this for loop, I should use one more for loop, for, and this for loop value also starts with 1, and condition will be 10 I plus plus, and yes, this should be j equals to 1, j is less than or equals to 10, and j plus plus. Now I need to multiply the value of I with the value of j and store that value inside output variable. Output is equals to dollar echo $I multiplied with $j pipe BC, and then I need to print this echo $I into $j is equals to dollar output. Okay, then done. This for loop, inner for loop gets closed, and here outer for loop gets closed. So this portion is used to create this single multiplication table, and this code is used to create multiple multiplication table. So now I will write down the code for this single multiplication table, and then you can try it out by yourself for the multiple multiplication table. So I will start writing down that. Start with shebang statement, usr bin bash. Okay, I want to take the input by showing the message enter any number, read space hyphen p space enter any number, let's say n, and I will start for I equals to 1, I is less than or equals to n, I plus plus do output is equals to dollar echo dollar n into dollar I 5 BC, then echo dollar n cross dollar I is equals to dollar output, double quote close, and done. Okay, so this is how you can write a simple shell program to print the single and multiple multiplication table. So I hope you guys have understood this particular concept. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.